Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Zona English video. In this video, we're going to learn how to talk about your typical day and how do you understand someone's typical day if they use English. Okay, and we're going to learn how to ask and answer a question in English. Yeah, if you want to ask someone's typical day, and how do you understand a text if someone talks about their typical day. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here, get up, have breakfast, take a shower, go to school, go to work by car, train, bus, and etc. Have a coffee, have an apple, ya. Get up, bangun. Tapi di sini get up itu adalah ketika mata kalian sudah terbuka dan nanti bangunnya dari tempat tidur. Kalau yang bangun baru terbuka mata itu menggunakan wake up ini. Terbukanya mata, wake up, I wake up at. Ya, biasa kan orang sudah terbuka matanya tapi masih ada di tempat tidur, belum get up, ya. Oke, have breakfast. Jadi setiap mengatakan makan malam, makan siang, ya, selalu mengikuti dengan have lunch, have dinner, have breakfast, ya. Take a shower mandi, ya. Go to school, go to work by car, train, bus. Jadi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris ketika menggunakan saya pergi sekolah menggunakan mobil, menggunakan motor. Jadi jangan menggunakan use. Ya. Dalam bahasa Inggris menggunakan by. I go to school by car. I go to market by beca, for example, ya. I go to travel by train, by bus, ya. etc. dan lain-lain, ya. Have a coffee. Jadi have a coffee or have an apple. Jadi have di sini bisa berarti makan atau minum, ya. Kan di sini adalah drink, berarti di sini minum kopi. Di sini adalah makanan yaitu apel, buah, ya. Jadi makan apel. Jadi have ini bukan hanya berarti punya tapi juga berarti makan atau minum dan masih ada lagi yang lainnya, ya. Oke. Let's try to answer the questions here, ya. Kita akan mencoba menjawab bagaimana cara menjawabnya. Oke, what time do you get up? What time do you get up? Saya akan mencoba menjawab dengan versi saya. What time do you get up? I get up. Atau biasa kalian mengatakan saya selalu bangun, ya. I always get up at 4. Saya selalu bangun. I always get up at 4. What do you do next? Ya. After getting up, I pray subuh first, ya. And sometimes I sleep again, ya. Kadang-kadang sometimes I sleep again, tidur lagi. And I wake up at 6, for example, ya. Contoh. Do you take a shower? Of course, ya. Of course, saya mandi. Tentu saja, of course. Kalau kalian mengatakan, tentu saja saya mandi, ya. Of course, I take a shower every day, ya. Setiap hari. What do you have for breakfast? What do you have for breakfast? Ya, ingat ya, have bisa berarti makan atau minum. Jadi artinya apa yang kamu makan dan apa yang kamu minum. What do I have for breakfast is bread sometimes, milk sometimes, rice too, sometimes fish, sometimes eggs, yeah, fried eggs. Okay, do you have breakfast sitting down or standing up? Okay, absolutely. Of course, I have my breakfast sitting down. Tentu saja saya makan duduk, ya, nggak makan berdiri, standing up. What time do you go to school? Oke, kalau untuk yang pergi sekolah, kalian mengatakan pergi sekolah, ya. Karena saya sudah tidak sekolah, jadi mungkin what time do you go to work? Ya, tergantung siapa yang kalian berikan pertanyaan, ya. What time do I go to work? I go to work at 9 o'clock. Are you in a hurry in the morning? Apakah kamu terburu-buru, orangnya cepat-cepat, ya? Are you in a hurry in the morning? No, I'm not in a hurry in the morning, ya. Do you like mornings? Of course, I like mornings, yeah, because morning we can see new life. Kita bisa melihat hidup baru, ya. Okay, and the morning no pollution because there aren't any cars on the street. Ya, belum ada mobil, ya. There aren't many people out there, ya. Belum ada orang-orang di luar sana, ya. And it's still so quiet, ya. Masih tenang. It's not noisy. Morning it's not noisy yet, ya. Oke, jadi tergantung bagaimana cara kalian menjawabnya ya, bagaimana kehidupan kalian sehari-hari. Okay, we're going to move to Simon Cowell is a judge on TV shows like The X Factor. He lives in his houses in London and Los Angeles. Simon Cowell ya, juri di TV shows like The X Factor. He lives. Jadi dalam bahasa Inggris kalau satu orang ada penekanan S atau ES ya, lives. Lives in his houses. Dia pakai tambahan S karena lebih dari satu rumah houses. Karena rumahnya ada di London and Los Angeles. Okay, when Cowell's alarm clock goes off in the morning, he always hits the snooze button 2 times. He has breakfast in bed and reads the newspaper. And he always has the same breakfast. Hot water, juice, and oatmeal. Then he has tea. After breakfast, he takes a bath. His bathroom has a TV, and he watches cartoons for an hour. He likes the Flintstones. Cowell loves baths. He takes a bath 3 times a day. He also exercises in the morning. He always does 500 push-ups. Cowell usually starts work at 1 in the afternoon and finishes at 9 p.m. He usually goes to bed at about 4 in the morning. Before that, he sends text message to his assistants ya. Oke, di sini ada clock goes off ya, artinya alarmnya berbunyi. Apakah kalian akan bangun dengan segera setelah mendengarkan your alarm clock goes off ya, goes off. Ya, alarmnya berbunyi. Jadi seperti itu ya. Oke, jadi apa yang kalian sudah pelajari itu yang di-copy untuk digunakan bercakap dalam bahasa Inggris. Kalian tidak perlu mencari kata yang baru ya. Apa yang sudah kalian pelajari itu yang kalian gunakan, oke? Don't forget to practice as much as you can. Thank you for watching.